So we're given the equation 30n minus c plus 200 equals 0, which determines the cost for a room rental where c represents the cost in dollars, which depends on n, the number of people attending. And we're asked to express this equation in slope y-intercept form, in other words, y equals mx plus b form, which, as they've given us, is c equals mn plus b. Now we need to think of n as our x variable and c as our y variable. And the reason for that is, as they've mentioned in the problem, x is the independent variable and c is the dependent variable. In other words, the value of c depends on what n is. So we need to isolate for c. Let's move everything on to the other side of the equation. Minus c equals minus 30n minus 200. And we're not quite done, so we need to isolate both sides of the equation, or divide both sides of the equation by -1 to give us c equals 30n plus 200. Now we're asked to identify the fixed and the variable costs. That's easy to do in this form because our fixed costs we can think of a lot like our y-intercepts. Even when x equals 0, y still has a value. That means our fixed cost here is $200. That means even if no one shows up for the room rental, if 0 people come, we're still going to have $200 included in our cost. And the variable costs, just by process of elimination, is obviously 30n, meaning depending on the number of people that attend, it'll be $30 per people. That's a variable cost. And now we need to illustrate the relation graphically using pencil and paper or a graphing calculator. We're just going to draw it here. We know that the y-intercept is 200. Obviously, it's not to scale. And our slope is positive, large and positive. So it's going to be pretty steep since it's 30n and passes through the y-intercept. And I'm going to label it as c equals 30n plus 200. Finally, it asks us, what is the rental cost if 100 people attend a hockey banquet? All we need to do is replace n with 100, since n represents the number of people. So let n equals 100, c equals 30 times 100 plus 200, which is 3,000 plus 200. Therefore, our total cost is $3,200.